A giant tree fell on Highway 21, blocking the entire road, making travel impossible in both directions.
It's a nice one, good one. Good one for firewood.
We could joke about this because thankfully this tree didn't fall on a car and nobody got injured. So a bunch of us started removing the smaller pieces, and our efforts were appreciated. But the road had no chance of reopening until the real heroes arrived in their 58,000-pound snowplows.
Our operations crews truly work year round, and they do some pretty spectacular things to maintain our infrastructure and to keep it safe.
The Idaho Transportation Department has 550 drivers throughout the state, which includes more than 13,000 miles of road. Last year, ITD estimated that their drivers traveled 3.4 million miles.
We have our crews working, 24/7. And that means that they're not going home to their families, to spend the holidays necessarily like some of the rest of us are, because they're out there making sure that the roads are clean and clear and ready for safe travel.
ITD also got an assist from Boise County as they had their plows out there, while law enforcement stopped traffic to prevent any incidents. And while most of us decide not to go outside on days like this, snowplow drivers don't have that choice.
That is their job. They go out there and they thrive in an environment that most of us would steer clear of. And we're very grateful for the work that they do, and they do a really fantastic job.
And we witnessed that today as they got Highway 21 open back up in about 30 minutes. Steve Dent, Idaho News 6.